Have you ever wondered why some YouTubers skyrocket to success while others seem stuck in YouTube limbo? Is it luck? Talent? Or do they know something you don't? Spoiler alert, they're using the right tools. Tools that make earning on YouTube easier, quicker, and honestly, a lot more fun. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact tools you need to level up your channel and start earning money on YouTube today. Let's be real. YouTube can be overwhelming. Algorithms, editing, finding your audience, it feels like climbing Everest without oxygen. But guess what? With the right tools, you can turn that struggle into pure gold. Whether you're a total newbie or someone looking to turbocharge your growth, this video is going to show you the insider secrets. And we're not talking vague advice. These are actionable steps with apps you can download right now to start your YouTube success story. Stay tuned, because at the end, we're revealing a game-changing tip that even big creators don't want you to know. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. 1. Planning your content, Tube Magic. First up, meet your new YouTube secret weapon, Tube Magic. This app is like having a crystal ball for your YouTube strategy. Tube Magic lets you analyze your competition, find high-traffic keywords, and predict trending topics. For example, let's say you're in the beauty niche. Type affordable skincare into Tube Magic, and bam! You get a list of keyword ideas with their search volume, competition score, and even content suggestions. Here's why it matters. If you're not creating content around what people are actually searching for, your videos might as well be invisible. Pro tip: use Tube Magic's competitor analysis to see what's working for the top creators in your niche. Don't copy, just improve and personalize their strategies. 2. Turning ideas into content. Pictory. Next, let's talk about Pictory, the ultimate shortcut to creating stunning videos without breaking a sweat. Here's how it works. You upload a script or even an article, and Pictory converts it into a professional video, complete with visuals, animations, and captions. Let's say you're making a video about 5 ways to save money. Upload your script, choose a theme, and in minutes you'll have a polished video ready for YouTube. Why Pictory rocks: saves hours of editing. Perfect for faceless channels. Built-in templates keep your videos looking pro. Hack: use the captioning feature to boost accessibility and watch time. 2 factors YouTube loves. 3. Cracking the YouTube algorithm, vidIQ. Now let's talk about cracking the YouTube code with vidIQ. vidIQ is like your personal YouTube growth coach, helping you understand exactly how to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. It gives you insights like the best times to upload, what tags your competitors are using, real-time analytics to track what's working. Example: imagine uploading a video and immediately knowing which keywords will rank you higher in search. vidIQ's score system shows you which tags and titles will dominate the competition. Quick win: use vidIQ's keyword inspector to craft SEO-friendly titles. For instance, change "how to lose weight" to "lose weight fast" with these 5 proven tips for a massive CTR boost. 4. Creating jaw-dropping visuals in video. Let's face it, your video is only as good as it looks. Enter InVideo. InVideo makes creating cinematic intros, engaging outros, and everything in between ridiculously easy. Its drag-and-drop editor is beginner-friendly, but the results? Pure Hollywood. Example: a fitness channel could use InVideo to create dynamic workout montages with motivational quotes flashing across the screen. Pro tip: pair InVideo's templates with royalty-free music from their library to add that extra oomph to your videos. Remember, YouTube viewers are visual creatures. Stunning visuals equals higher retention equals more money. 5. Monetizing your content. Quickly. Alright, let's talk about the part you've been waiting for. Making money. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Use vidIQ to meet those 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours faster. Affiliate marketing. Use Tube Magic to find niche product keywords, then promote those products in your videos. Merchant memberships. Create eye-catching promo visuals with InVideo. Here's the kicker: combine all these strategies and you're not just earning AdSense, you're building a multi-income empire. Bonus tip: the secret sauce to success. Now for that game-changing tip we promised. Use all the tools together. Create an optimized content plan with Tube Magic. Craft your videos with Pictory, skyrocket their reach with vidIQ, and make them visually irresistible with InVideo. It's a winning formula no one else is talking about. Ready to start your YouTube journey? Don't just watch, take action. Download these tools, experiment, and keep refining. Success is waiting. You just need to grab it. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Comment below. Which tool are you excited to try? Hit subscribe, like, and share this video now, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big YouTube hack. See you in the next video.